friends, welcome to TellSFS, and in today's video I'm going to talk to you about how to become your own superhero. So in this video I'll be talking to you about how you could become your own superhero, and what is the actual concept of superhero or superheroism, and who is a superhero, and what is stopping you from becoming your own superhero. So let's go into the video. Please subscribe to my channel. In this channel I'm going to talk to you about motivational, inspirational, self-development based videos. I'm also a self um, or a lifestyle coach and a mind coach. With my videos I'll be helping my viewers on developing themselves further for the life they want to live. So let's go into the video. So in this video, you'll be obviously understanding that a lot of things happen in our life, and sometimes we feel that we are very stuck in a place, or we are just in a hole that we cannot come out. Now this hole is nothing but your struggle in life, your problematic part of your life. Now some of us it's much easier to come out, whereas for some of us it's very hard. We struggle so much and we expect someone to come and help, and at that situation we consider them as a superhero, right? But why is that we are expecting someone else to become a superhero, and why not us is the question. So if you want to become your own superhero, let's see what you should do. I'm going to talk to you about 8 different things, that are 8 different ways where you can become your own superhero. The first one is believe in yourself. You need to believe the colors you have. You need to believe that you are able to become a superhero. Now this could be what do you say, visualizable or imaginary version of yours, but you first have to believe that you are gonna be a superhero, or you are gonna overcome this troublesome time or struggle of your life. Only in such way you will be able to overcome the problem. Step 2 is be useful. Now if you look at all these superhero movies, you'll be able to understand one concept in common, that is that they are helping the universe or the earth or the people in the world and all of that. So in that case we should be also doing the same thing, right? So we should be also be helpful for the others. Now it's not the superhero concept that is telling us to become helpful. It's just that when you provide a positive impact to the rest of the world, that positive impact is going to come back to you. Now imagine you're gonna provide a vibration, a positive vibration. Remember the law of attraction, that is gonna carry this attraction towards the universe, and the universe is gonna provide you back the positive vibration. So what happens is you're gonna get good deeds coming towards you. Number 3 is never ever give up. Now there could be places where you go 10 steps ahead. At some time, some part of your life, you're coming back, and you come at least 7 or 8 steps behind. That does not mean you should leave that particular step there itself. You should again and again try. Of course there is a concept of where you over try something and you just leave it. That over trying that thing should, you should come to a stage where you're exactly trying so much hard and then you leave it, not just leave it in the first few scenarios of your life. Next step is where you use your failure. Now imagine you're a superhero, or you're a spider woman or someone. You cannot consider that okay fine, you go through a problem and you fail a battle, or you go through some sort of situation where you fail the situation. You should not consider that this is a failure. You should try to use this failure, learn to learn the lessons from this failure. That is how all the superheroes in the world work. Now if you take Steve Jobs, he also learned a lot of things from his mistakes. That is why he was able to run such a big company and make success, of course. Mental strength, this is what is going to give you fitness. Now we are not talking about physical strength here. Of course superheroes is all about physical strength, I'm sorry, but here you need to have your mental strength in fit. therefore what will happen is you'll be able to overcome any problem in life. Because when, as a mind coach, I believe that when you try to change everything from your mind, everything else falls back in the correct places. So therefore when you change everything in your mind, everything else comes on your way. But trying to help you to, do the mental strength is quite hard. So you need to be aware on how you could do. Simple meditation could help you in increasing the mental strength. Next, we are going to talk about your superpowers. Now, this is not superpowers like you climb or you jump or you fly or all of those things. These are superpowers that you have, your skills, your strength. Now, these superpowers you could identify simply in three ways. Now, one thing you could do is you could ask your friends and family and peers or colleagues, someone, to list few things that they think it's good about you, they think is the strength of you. Next thing is you could think of situations that you feel that you're accomplished or think feel that you are good at it. And lastly, journals. If you start writing journals every day, you will be able to understand in everyday scenario, you will be able to uh, understand the skills and the powers you have. This could be tiny powers that you have, but you have not recognized it yet to use it as a superpower. So by journaling and rereading or reading your journal, you will be able to understand and investigate on these skills, so that you will be able to do a lot of increasing empowering these skills to achieve better in life. Weaknesses. So weaknesses is where we are going to talk about your anti-hero habits, let me say it like that. Now if you have an habit which is not helping you to success in life, then that is a weakness. Now imagine you need to get up early to do something practically. Now imagine you're sleeping till 10 o'clock, uh, and then you wake up drowsy, you're hungry, you have nothing to do, you're either late for something or you're just mentally stressed. So maybe if your problem is waking up early, you could these weaknesses could be changed easily. So maybe you should think and see how you could, remove your anti-hero habits from your life. So again, two steps to do this is journaling, and maybe you could ask your friends what they feel, which is bad in them, or which they consider as weaknesses. Because it could be weaknesses that we don't consider as a bad habit for us, but people around us might actually see them, and this could be a eye opening for us by actually realizing all of this from someone else. But one thing we should do understand is when you're asking from your friends or family or peers, you should not consider it as something like that they're trying to put you down. They're just trying to help you because you itself went and asked them the question. So maybe they are trying to help you by saying, by being open about your weaknesses. I'm sorry. Law of attraction is all about, listening to um, the universe speaking and all of that. So if you are able to, listen to your inner self, the inner self is actually trying to give you information. Now, this information is actually coming from the universe. Now, if you're able to listen to this voice of yours, you will be able to achieve a lot in life. Now, this doesn't have to be the things that you have gone through in life. This could be things that, suddenly happening in your life, and you have a voice that telling you maybe you should take this route this side, or maybe you should take this decision at this part of the life, and all of that. So you need to consider these inner voice, because these are messages from the universe, or the messages from your subconscious mind that is helping you to overcome what you are going through in life right now. So consider all of these steps, and maybe one or two steps could be easily done for you, and therefore you will be able to overcome your fear or your struggle in life, and therefore you could become your own superhero. Now when you become your own superhero, one thing that happens is you learn that you could control the situation around you, and therefore people start liking you, or people start getting attracted to you in a good way. This produces a positive impact, a positive environment around you. So that also helps the whole concept of becoming your own superhero. People start looking upon you, which is what we all like. We will like someone coming and saying, hey buddy, you're good, you're great at something, things like that. So that is what we all like, and that is what we all live up to at some point of our life. So good luck with your journey. I hope my video is helping you in some way. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos of like this. And I'm also a life coach and a mind coach. My service is free right now, so please email me or DM me in any of these accounts, and I'll be able to